our Lorca bin puppies. All fit and healthy again now, aren't you? It's Fly. You were poorly, weren't you? Hey. There's Stig. He was a poorly boy. Trying to remember the names. Moss. What was the other one's name? Ebony. I don't know which one's which. Both identical, I think. And Piper. All over my bloody feet. Aren't ya? Piper and Stig. Fly. Ebony and Moss. Are the two little black ones. Let's have a look, see which one you are. You're Moss. You're a little Moss. And this is Ebony. And out the way, Stiggy. That's Ebony. Hi. And puppy porridge now. A couple of drinks of milk at the bottle a day. Little Piper. Where's moustache? What matter? You've got a full tummy? Yes, you have. What are you doing on my feet? Piper, come out. And they're all doing well now. All feeding well. Diarrhea's cleared up. It's not quite as it should be, but getting there. Oh, there's Diggy.